G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 4th, 2023. This is the USDX dollar basket update. So what we're looking at here is the weekly, the daily and the hourly. We're trading the hourly time frame based on the trends of the weekly and the daily. You can see here the weekly is in a pretty strong bullish uptrend. The daily, however, is starting to potentially weaken or at least have a bit of a retrace. And we'll talk about the daily and the hourly in a bit more detail. So at the moment you can see there the CCI is broken down through its moving average 2. It's hit this resistance at 10,697 and potentially might retrace off this. There's no divergence to talk of at the moment on the daily. But if we look at the hour chart, you can see there we had a bearish divergence here versus the price. We had a few divergences actually. If I go back in history, all those little squares are targets which have been hit. And this was the last one that was hit before our last video. There was a bearish divergence there versus the price. Broke down, just a bit of a retracement, hit our target, then bounced off that. And that happened to be also in alignment with this diagonal ascending trend line. Now, again, it's gone up, hit this resistance, and we've got another bearish divergence here. You can see there, it's also broken down through its moving average 20 on the CCI. A bearish divergence on the CCI versus the price. So we're going to expect a pullback. And in terms of target areas, we draw a Fibonacci between that recent significant low to that point, and our target area will be somewhere between a 23 and a 38% level on that Fibonacci range. So at the moment, at the very least, a retrace doesn't necessarily mean a collapse. So if I go back to the 3 charts, a bit of a retrace. There is a bit of a move there. You can see there the CCI is moving slightly in alignment with the price, but we may see it break further to the downside before taking further upswings. But at the moment, just be careful about going long. We want to make sure that the daily is also breaking to the upside and broken up through this resistance to be more confident about going long, especially on the hourly. You can see here it's in a bit of a slight retrace level. So to understand how to trade using the trend trading strategies, but also some divergence strategies, subscribe to the Patreon page where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and see you in a future video.